Stop wasting hours on boring work, because today I'm showing you 10 insane AI tools that nobody's talking about, but can make your life 10x easier in 2025. Whether you want to make money, save time, or just blow your friends' minds, these tools will change your game. Stick till the end. Number 7 is my personal secret weapon. This is Hustle with AI, where I bring you the best AI tools to boost your hustle. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because you don't want to miss what's coming next. First up, meet Perplexity AI. It's like ChatGPT on steroids. It doesn't just answer your questions, it shows you sources, gives you real-time updated info, and even summarizes entire web pages in seconds. Perfect for students, bloggers, and researchers. Next, ElevenLabs. If you've ever wanted to clone your own voice, this tool does it freakishly well. Use it for voiceovers, audiobooks, or even prank calls. The realism is next level. Number 3, Runway ML. This is your AI video editor. Remove backgrounds, generate videos from text prompts, or even make entire music videos with AI. It's like having a Hollywood studio in your bedroom. Number 4, Midjourney, the king of AI art. Type anything and get stunning visuals in seconds. Perfect for thumbnails, posters, social media posts. Artists are literally using this to sell art on Etsy. Halfway through, here's Pictory. Turn long blogs or scripts into short, catchy videos automatically. If you hate editing, Pictory does the job in minutes. Jasper AI, your ultimate copywriting buddy. Whether it's ads, emails, or product descriptions, Jasper writes like a human, but faster. Many freelancers charge $100 an hour, but Jasper does it in seconds. This one's my secret weapon, Descript. Edit audio and video like a Word document. Remove ums, change words, or overdub mistakes. It's magic for podcasters and YouTubers. Number 8, Tome. The AI presentation maker. Pitch decks, slides, product demos, all done in minutes. If you're pitching investors or making client decks, this is your secret hack. Almost there, Otter AI. Meeting notes, done automatically. Whether it's Zoom calls or lectures, Otter listens, writes it all down, and makes highlights for you. And finally, Notion AI. Your ultimate workspace, supercharged. It writes notes, plans projects, brainstorms ideas, all inside Notion. No wonder teams swear by it. So which AI tool blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments, and if you want part 2 with even crazier tools, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and keep hustling smarter with AI.